Good morning. I am currently in Yuma and fixing to leave Yuma. I've been here at the Kushan Casino for about 3 days, I think. Well, I paid for 3 days, so yeah, 3 nights. And I'm leaving today, going to Walmart. Got to eat at Panda Express. Hadn't done that in a long time. And gotta go to the bank. What did I say? I was gonna do laundry, but that's just too much for today, so I am gonna put that off. Put that off one more day, because I can. This parking lot's pretty crowded. So what did I say? Because laundry's off the table. Laundry's postponed to another day. So I am gonna do Walmart and the bank and then drive to Quartzsite. So that's on the agenda today. And maybe tomorrow I'm gonna need to go dump and get water. So maybe tomorrow will be that. Dump, get water, and laundry. So, just break it up a little bit. So let's get on the road. Got a bowl of Kung Pao chicken. A drink. Spring rolls. What'd you get?
Beijing beef and some, what do you call it? Regular?
Wontoons?
Wontons. Cheese wontons.
I'm going the wrong way. There's a truck camper adventure. Maybe I'll go check that out tomorrow. That mouth. Oh goodness. Good morning. Look at this Palo Verde tree. Very healthy. It's small. I don't see much of those. Yeah, it's about my height. Out walking Sammy, and I saw this nice Palo Verde. Huh, Sammy? Huh? Yeah. Alright. Went to Yuma for a few days. I'm back in Quartzsite. And I gotta go do laundry. Been trying to do laundry for 5 days. Yeah, so I am gonna look at that creosote. Yeah. It looks nice and healthy too. But that is on the agenda today. Get laundry done. That's the only thing I'm concentrating on today. Laundry. So I went to Walmart yesterday and here comes Sammy. I bought a little bit too much groceries to fit in my little bitty refrigerator here. So it's packed. So I had to take my eggs out because you don't want to not use your eggs. They're so expensive. So I have this egg carrier. So I took them out and laid them in there individually. You know what's probably best is to hard boil them. For breakfast this morning, I'm having a half avocado with some sriracha, hot chili sauce, and a hard-boiled egg. Well, that was a madhouse, that laundromat. One machine was available. I needed 3, so I had to wait. Then I had to wait on dryers, and I was about to leave and thought, gosh, I just don't think I have all my clothes. Where's my orange shirt? I might put that on. I thought, yeah. I almost left without a whole dryer full of clothes. Crazy. It's so chaotic and there's so much going on in there. I take pictures of the numbers of my machines because I can't remember from one time to the next. So I got that done. I marked that off the list, which I've needed to do that for a long time. So now I'm on my way to get diesel. And we know how that goes. Let's see if I can find a pump that's not blocked by a gasoline user. Yeah, we'll see. What is it, Sammy? What is it? Okay, yeah, there's a diesel user, so they're legit. I would have to back up. Let's go around here to see if there's one. And no. Oh, that's not good. Oh wow, there's actually diesel. Go ahead. On the center pumps here. Wow. I was unaware. Cool. Time to get some diesel. Guess what I got? Chicken. I had to get Kramer. Walmart didn't, not Kramer, I drink half and half in my coffee. And Walmart didn't have any in Yuma, so I had to stop here in town to get half and half, and can't pass up a good piece of fried chicken. Yep. No salad today, just one leg. Just to tie me over till supper, dinner, whatever. I'm peeling an egg, Sammy. Did you used to eat hard-boiled eggs? Huh? This one's not peeling very good. It's not peeling very good. A little bit at a time. She looks so intense. Oops, the cook's mad. The cook's mad, Sammy. I'm not mad. I just burnt my toast. Now I'm mad.